Okay, so we're going to do some questions in probability. So we'll do 3 questions, then we also I'll give you some questions to try. So this is one of the questions that came in the exam, paper 1. So the question reads: there are 45 green and red marbles in a bag. Given that the probability of choosing a green marble is 2/5, calculate the number of green marbles in the bag. So here we're being told to say the total number of marbles that are there in the bag, there are 45, and this 45 consists of both red and green. Then they're asking us to say the probability of choosing a green marble is equal to 2/5. Then they want us to find the number of green marbles. The number of green marbles will be equal to the probability of choosing a green marble multiplied by the total number of marbles. So the probability of choosing a green marble is 2/5. Then the total number of marbles is 45. Then 5 into 5 is 1. 5 into 45 is 9. 2 times 9, that is 18. So the answer is 18 green marbles. That's the answer. We look at another question. So we have this other question. In a game, the probability of a player losing is 0.3. What is the probability of a player winning the game? So there is the probability of a player losing, so I'll say L. They've given us that it's 0.3. Then the probability of a player winning, I'll say W. We don't know, question mark. So what do you know about probability? So if we say the probability of losing a game plus the probability of winning a game, so these, the total probability will be 1. So if you add all the probabilities, the total should be 1. So the highest number in probability is 1 and the lowest is 0. So the probability of losing is 0.3. Then probability of winning, we don't know. This should be equal to 1. 0.3 will cross the other side. Then the probability of winning will be equal to 1 minus 0.3. The probability of winning will be equal to, what is 1 minus 0.3? We get 0.7. So 0.7 is the probability of winning the game. Alright, now let's look at another question that can cement our understanding. So this is another question here. There are 4 blue and 5 white marbles in a bag. What is the probability of randomly picking a white marble? So we have marbles which are white and marbles which are blue. The white marbles, they are 5 according to the data. The blue marbles, they are 4. Then the total number of marbles is equal to 5 plus 4, which is equal to 9. Then the probability of randomly picking a white marble will be equal to the number of white marbles over the total number of marbles. So this will be, the white marbles are 5, the total number of marbles are 9. So this is 5/9. That's the answer. Alright, so if this is okay, then here are 2 questions for you to try. So the first question is as follows. So this is the first question here. Then the second question is as follows. So this is the second question. So once you try to answer these questions, then you are well and good on this topic, probability paper 1 type of questions.